Hey, is it snowing? No. That's freezing rain and it hurts like a you-know-what. Here comes Brando. Did you find anything, buddy? No? You gotta go? Let's go this way. Be careful. It was icy. I said be careful. Squish isn't heavy enough. What'd you find? You having trouble walking? Hi, Squish. Hi, Squish. Did you find some yellow snow? Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going? You did find yellow snow. Good job. Come on, Squish. Come in. Keep going. What are you doing? All right, let's go inside. Come on. Let's go inside. Be careful, Brando. Don't slide down. You hear that, guys? It's really coming down now. Okay, let's go inside. Did you find a leaf, Squish? Did you find a leaf? Hi, did you find a leaf? It's a pretty cool leaf. Is your little butt cold? Alright, come on, Brando. Let's go upstairs. Oh, Brando's gotta go. Come on, Squish. Be careful, dude. Ugh, right in your eye. Oh, do you see that bird up there, Brando? Get that bird. Get the bird. Can you get it? Come on. Brando, I don't think you can get it. Come on, buddy. Brando. Brando. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go upstairs. Brando, that's not upstairs. That's downstairs. Let's go upstairs. I know. It's ice coming from the sky. Brando, hey, dude. This is upstairs. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Everybody go, go, go. Hustle, 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 hustle.